Hello guys, it's Rami Wahid and I'm gonna to show you how to make an air conditioning with simple stuff, and you can use it in summer, you can use it in winter as you like. Just keep watching and like and subscribe. So we're gonna need a lot of stuff here. Basically we're gonna need a fan. This is 12-volt fan, and we are gonna need a condenser, something to cool or heat the water. We're gonna use a lot of tools, of course, a water pump, some sort like a bottle, and of course pipes. And this is how it looks like. This body, this is made of wood, and put this condenser and keep closing the holes. Now after closing the holes and make an isolated room for air, and this design is basically suck the air from the room through the condenser and cool it down or heat it up and goes to this isolated room, and of course the fan sucks the air again to the room. This is how it works, and I hope it works for you as it works for me. Oh god, and this is how it looks like right now. I mean, it's not good looking, but it's an AC after all, right? And the final step is connecting the pipes and the water pump. The condenser have two lines, one get the water in and one get the water out, and you can use a refrigerator to cool down the water in the bottle. And this water pump is waterproof. I used it inside the refrigerator, and of course it cools down the water very fast, and it pumps the water through the condensers and come back again to the refrigerator and keep cooling the water. And of course we get the pipes or the condensers get cooled, and when the air goes through the condenser and it get cold, and the fan gets cold water from the isolated room to the room again. And this is how it works for me, and this is for summers. I mean, for winter you can use hot water outside the refrigerator and it will do the job, of course. And that's it. You have an air conditioner. You can use it in summers or winter, hot, cold air conditioning. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe or leave a comment, or maybe you can press like button. As you know, any YouTuber will appreciate this. Thank you for watching, and I promise you I will post any stupid idea I got in the future. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Just subscribe.